Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming essentials so you don't chase phantom problems. First, power cycle your modem and router, unplug 30 seconds, then restore power. While waiting, exit Roblox and any heavy downloads. You want a clean network state. Once devices reboot, connect your PC or console directly to the router with an Ethernet cable if possible. Wired tests isolate Wi-Fi. Make sure any VPN or proxy is disabled, so Roblox can reach its servers directly. Now you perform targeted network diagnostics to find the fault. Open a command prompt and ping 8 to confirm basic internet, then traceroute or traceroute to the Roblox region host to spot hops with packet loss. This shows where latency spikes occur. Next, flush DNS and renew your IP to clear stale entries that can block authentication. If problems persist, disable firewall or antivirus briefly if Roblox connects. Add explicit allow rules so security software. Finish by applying application and router-level fixes to restore reliable play. If the client still shows connection errors, clear Roblox cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Change your router's DNS to 1 or 8 to speed name resolution and reduce failed server lookups. Once done, test a simple game. If you still can't connect, switch to a mobile hotspot briefly. That single step tells you whether your ISP or your device/network equipment is at fault, guiding your next move.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.